This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings on your Hammer Ultra Classic to start the Always On Display setup. Tap Display and then Always On Display to access the feature controls. You will see a toggle and several presets presented on the screen. Ensure your device is updated and the battery is above 15% before enabling AOD. Updates may add new clock styles and reduce bugs that affect the display. If you have a screen protector, check for compatibility to avoid hotspot issues. Choose a clock style, color, and information widgets from the AOD presets. Tap widgets to add battery percentage, notifications, or media controls to the display. Adjust AOD brightness manually and set it to around 15% for balanced visibility and battery life. Use the theme option to match your wallpaper or choose high contrast text for readability. Select Schedule to limit Always On Display to specific hours versus leaving it active continuously. Save your settings and use Schedule mode and set brightness to 15% to reduce Always On Display battery drain. Disable AOD automatically when Battery Saver is active to save additional power. Enable optimized AOD under power settings if available for smarter wake and reduced screen time. If AOD fails to appear, restart the phone and check for software updates to fix known issues. Remove or replace incompatible screen protectors. If you see
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.